This is Abdul Malik Hashmi, and you are watching my YouTube channel. GoKL is a public bus service that offers free rides for commuters within the Central Bus Service District of Kuala Lumpur. It was launched on 31st August 2012 as a part of Malaysia's government transportation program. It is also aimed to reduce congestion in Kuala Lumpur. The Go KL bus service starts 6 a.m. in the morning till 11 p.m. at night. In the working days, after every 10 minutes, Go KL bus is available. The Go KL buses run on CNG. They are environment friendly. If you happen to be in KL and spot a light purple bus near you, just hop on the bus and enjoy the ride. For more videos, please subscribe my YouTube channel and leave your comments below.